Hello, this is a guided tour of your GCSE NEA folder, just to give you an outline of what you're going to be doing over the next few months for your GCSE. So, front page here, we have your details. So obviously where it says your name, you are going to put your name there and your candidate number after it. The next slide, there is a README instruction. Okay, this gives you some basic outlines of what you need to do throughout the folder. There is also some style guides there about font sizes you must use and shouldn't exceed. Okay, and there are some examples here on the right of what students did last year. Now, your GCSE portfolio is going to be broken down into sections, and as we go through the months, I will update you on what needs to go in each section. Each section has a title page where I have given you an outline of things you need to include. So the first section is the green section, and this is worth a possible 10 marks. And here it tells you what you need to do. I've then put some blank slides underneath it that you will need to populate. You can always add more slides to this area. Now, just as a word of warning, these slides are A3 in size. So we want to make sure they get filled. And if you stick to the point size of 14, you'll be able to get a lot of information onto each page. So like I said, the green section is the first section, and this is about investigating and research. That is followed by an orange section where you will write your design brief and specification, where you outline what you're going to do for your project. Following that, we have the red section. This is where you start to generate your design ideas. Now, ideally, we would be looking to start this design section by the end of this summer term. So before you break up for summer, we want to be starting on some design ideas. There is space here for you to take photos of your design ideas and upload them. Once you've done your design ideas, you then move on to design development, and this includes model making and CAD. So if you want to make any models, do any 3D designs on the computer, this is where you upload those. Then we have the realizing of the design. This is where you actually make it. Now, this we would like to be starting to make after the October half term up to Christmas. Okay, so that's when we want to be aiming to make your products. And then the final section after we've made it is the evaluation section. And again, you can see I've outlined there what you need to include in these sections. This would need to be completed by the February half term of year 11. Now, this might seem quite intimidating at the moment. There is a lot to do, but it is broken down into sections to make it easy for you. I've also included on here the challenges. So these are the two challenges that you're going to need to choose from to base your project on. I'm going to create another video which will outline what you could do for each one and give you some more insight and some starters on that.